Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the latest fitness tracker from Xiaomi, the Xiaomi Smart Band 10, and the other one, the Xiaomi Smart Band 9. On this video, we are going to compare the two fitness tracker. We'll see if there's some difference or upgrade for our Xiaomi Smart Band 10. So we will compare the features. So if you are interested to see the difference between the two wearable, watch this video. And again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Let's explore the difference when it comes to the offered menus and features. Let's check first the UI. Again, this is the Xiaomi Smart Band 10 and this one is the Xiaomi Smart Band 9. Both do have a notifications on top. On the bottom part we have the menus. On the left side we have the settings here and options. So we have do not disturb mode, find phone, and we have flashlight here for our Smart Band 10, while here for our Smart Band 9 we don't have that option. Going back, on the right side we do have the components or the widgets. For the menus, swipe up. So we have here automatic activity tracking, we have workout, we have running course, the same style, the same layout here. Okay, there's some difference when it comes to other icons. We have the same stats here icon, workout is the same. There's a difference when it comes to the icon for activity as well as the running course. So we have the training state, the heart rate, we have vitality, blood oxygen monitoring, sleep monitoring, we have the stress monitoring, we also have here the weather report, we have a calendar, it's a different icon now, we have an alarm, the settings, we have more. For the more or additional tools, we have, let's see, we have events, task, breathing guide, we have the stopwatch here, music control function, find phone, we also have here the world clock, silence phone, and camera. But we do have timer also, and a flashlight, and focus. We have a compass here, built-in compass for the Xiaomi Smart Band 10, while we don't have it here in our Xiaomi Smart Band 9. Okay, for the settings, let's see. As you can see, there's an icon already for our settings here. We have the running mode, we have the home screen, band display, we have the widgets, so different layout now. We have the display, what are the features, auto lock, raise to wake, screen on, for always on display, cover to sleep. So the same features here. We have vibration, so much better settings now, as you can see. When it comes to the UI, we have do not disturb settings, notifications, auto detect, preferences. We do have here a share heart rate, we don't have it here. We have preferences, pin, battery, system, and about. For the notifications, let's check. So we have wake screen on, notify only when worn, notify only when worn, notify only when phone is locked. So the same features here. For the sports functions, let's check out the box here. So we have 100 plus sports modes. For our Xiaomi Smart Band 10, more sports functions is available. We have 150 plus sports functions with heart rate broadcast. The other one, we don't have the heart rate broadcast feature. Okay, so we will explore more when it comes to features as we review the Xiaomi Smart Band 10. And we will compare it again with the Xiaomi Smart Band 9 if we find some new or additional features or information. But so far, as you can see right now, we do have a difference when it comes to the design of some of the icons, not all but some. We have a built-in compass here, and we don't have it here on our Xiaomi Smart Band 9. We do have some details on the product page of the Xiaomi or the website of Xiaomi Smart Band 10. You will see there the changes on the 10 versus the 9. Okay, so that's it for our comparison review with the Xiaomi Smart Band 9 versus the Xiaomi Smart Band 10. So when it comes to the design, just a minor difference. It has a much bigger or wider screen display with a high resolution screen compared to our 9, but when it comes to looks, it's almost identical. And when it comes to offered features, there's some just minor difference, like compass and I think layout in the settings, heart rate broadcast, that's it. And of course the sports functions, more sports functions for our Xiaomi Smart Band 10. So that's it for our comparison review of the Xiaomi Smart Band 10 versus the Xiaomi Smart Band 9. Again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe.